Hello there, welcome back. So glad that you came across my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Chantal. I do feature content, topics in beauty, fashion, lifestyle, wigs, that sort. So if that sounds interesting to you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you click that notification bell so that you are notified when I have another video. This is the look for today. Keep on watching. We're gonna do a look, and also to commemorate October being Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So there's a lot of gorgeous pink shades, purple shades. You got some glitters, some pressed pigment. So we're gonna see what we can get into today. We're gonna do things a little different. I will not be using a foundation. Today I'm actually going to do my face using my concealers. Here we go. So we have this shade is in the shade Butterscotch, and this shade is more my face shade, and it's Chestnut. So we'll use the butterscotch to highlight. This is a new product that I'm going to be trying out today as well. And this is the Soul Body Face and Body Bronzing Balm. So the Soul Body, it says it is a cream balm bronzer that enhances your natural skin tone with a radiant touch of color, effortlessly blends to a velvety, smooth, soft focus finish, and leaves skin instantly sun-kissed. It's vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, and mineral oil-free. So we gonna see, sis. Okay, so I just primed my face with the Milk Hydro Grip. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the face.
Little. 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 Little.
Alright, you guys, welcome back. My phone had died, so I had to get that situation situated. But while I was gone, ta-da! Got my brows done. I also primed my eyelids, as you can see. That's why this here looks white and this here looks lighter. It looks like two shades because that's the ABH eye primer, which is a good primer as well. All right, so we're gonna go in with this Jaclyn Heel palette. But first, I do need a transition shade. I may can skate by with this shade as my transition shade. This one here is G Money. The smaller brushes run like $2.99, $3.99, and then like your bigger brushes, like this brush, for instance, is the large powder brush, which is an amazing fluffy powder brush. That brush runs you about $6.99, $5.99. But also Morphe has super dope brushes as well. If you have a Morphe store, if you're in the Nashville area, there's a Morphe store in the Green Hills Mall. If not, you can go to morphe.com or your nearest Ulta. Okay, you guys, so let's get down with the look. I'm thinking we might do a little cut crease. Okay, so we want to do this look pink. Okay, so I think we are going to play with Lolly Mama, which is this shade here, and then Dance Party. Okay, I'm first gonna go in with the light shade, then I'll go in with the darker shade, cut that crease, and then we'll play with something else that's in there.
Little. Little. Little.
I did go ahead and do my lashes, and these are the Ardell Naked Lashes in the style 421. It's my favorite. It's in the pink box. So for blush, we are going to go in with the Juvia's Place Saharan Volume 2. And the shades in here are absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so I'm in between Sola here, and B down here in the corner. Y'all, I'm backwards right here.
Little.
I've had a blast doing this look. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips. This is the Juvia's Place Luxe Liner in Kola with a K.
Little. Little.
who is battling breast cancer at this moment, who have lost a loved one. I pray for your strength and your healing in the Lord Jesus Christ. And I also pray that those that have lost loved ones to breast cancer, I pray that the Lord will continue to give you comfort and strength to make it through each day. Okay? So if you like this look, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and talk to me down in the comments. Let me know what your favorite part of this look was. Also, if you have tried any of the products that I have tried in this video, especially the bronzing balm, you guys, it actually blended well. I love the kabuki that it came with as well. Absolutely, it's really nice feeling, kind of dense, but I'm telling you, you don't lose control. What I did was because the instructions tell you to take the kabuki and dab it in the actual jar, and that's what I did, and it went on beautifully. It blended beautifully. I am super excited to have that bronzing balm added to my arsenal, as if I needed another bronzer. But I'm glad to have that one. At least it's a cream balm that I don't have. All right, my little one is sitting here staring at me. I'm gonna stop rambling. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, toodles.
Ryan Little.
Jaclyn.